I'm Kristin with the Rogers Public Library, and this week for Catch 'em All at the library, we will be focusing on Spritzee. So in your craft packet, you will have a blue sheet of construction paper for our background. You will have a few pieces to cut out from construction paper, and those are drawn on for you. You'll also have a few pre-cut pieces of paper, as well as 2 large pink cupcake holders and 2 small white cupcake holders. And I will show you how to turn all this into Spritzee. So of course, the first thing we're going to do is cut out our pieces that need to be cut out. Then we're going to take 1 pink cupcake holder, only one, and we're going to fold it in half. And then we're going to cut down that fold that we just made to cut our cupcake liner in half. Then we're going to take one of our white cupcake liners and open it up flat. And we're going to take this white cardstock piece that we have, and we're going to cut out this shape from the white. So you can either trace it on and then cut it out, or you can just hold it on and cut it out, but that is a little trickier. So I'll go ahead and use the tracing method so you can see. So now it's traced on, and I can set this aside and just cut out the traced part. And then I can get rid of that extra. All right, now we have all of our pieces. We're going to take this magenta purplish piece and draw a line right down the center. That is going to make the feet in just a moment. The first thing we're going to do, once we have all our pieces ready, is take our 2 half pieces, and we're going to put them at an angle so that the flat side that we cut is pointing towards the top of your paper, and then angle them towards each other, and we're going to glue them on the page so that the tips that are pointed towards each other are slightly overlapping, but just a little. So we'll grab a glue stick and get some glue all over the back of our cupcake liner. And we're going to put that down and right about in the middle of the page, going up and down. And then we'll do the other side. And we want it to be about the middle too, but overlapping that other piece just a little. These are Spritzee's wings. Now we're going to take the full-sized pink cupcake liner and press it flat. This is going to make Spritzee's body. And we are going to put glue all over the back of this liner. then I'm going to put that over the two wings so that the bottom of our body comes down over that point somewhat, but a larger part of the body is above the edge of the wings. Then we can take the feet. We're going to put glue all along the back and then just at the tip of the front so that we can tuck it under the edge of our body to make the little feet sticking down. Next, we'll take our full piece, that is our white liner, a little one. I'm going to flatten it out, put glue all over the back of it or the inside of it. And then we're going to put that on the big pink circle, but we're going to put it over close to the side on your left, because we're going to have Spritzee flying, but kind of facing this way, like turning her head. So this small white cupcake liner gets put close to the edge on the left. And then we're going to take that white piece that we cut out, and this is going to be Spritzee's beak. So we want it to overlap with part of the white circle that we've already put on, that is her face. But we want it also, the point, the little rounded point of it, to stick off the side so that you can see her beak coming off from the face. So then we'll put glue all along the back of that. We're gonna stick it on there right up so that it comes off of the body and overlaps the wing just a tad. And a little bit of it should be up on the blue instead of just on the other pieces here. Now we can take Spritzee's little head tuft and add it up at the top. So we'll put some glue all over the back of this piece and then add it so that the little point of the swirl is at the very top and the bottom rounded section overlaps with the top of Spritzee's head. Now we just have some eyes. So we're going to take our black piece with the little eyelashes, and we're going to put glue all over the back. And this is going to go right in the white face area of the body, but the little eyelash parts are going to stick out into the pink area of the body. Next, we'll take our red oval, put glue all over that, and that is going to go right over the black oval part, leaving it so that you can still see the eyelashes sticking out to the side. And for our last piece to glue on, we take our black oval, and that goes right in the center of our red oval to make Spritzee's eye. Now, if you would like, you can be done at this point. But if you want to make the beak pop a little more, you can take a black marker and just gently outline the outside of the beak. And that just kind of makes it stick out a little more. And then if you want to outline the eye as well, then you can do that. But you can also leave off those two outlining portions. So that is just up to you. But there is our cute little cupcake liner, Spritzee. And that is our craft for this week. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next week to make another Pokemon. Bye!